Jai Swaminarayan. Today we are going to do exercise number 3.4, that A is equal to 1, 2, minus 1, 3. Here we have to find out A inverse. There are one method is there, that A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant value of A into adjoint of A, and another method is echelon method, which we are going to do today. In this, that we have to use this formula, A is equal to I into A. Means with unit matrix, if I will multiply by matrix, then always matrix will be there. So finally this, if I will convert into identity matrix, here whatever is there, that becomes A inverse. Our example question is 1, minus 1, 2 and 3 is there, is equal to I, means 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. This is our starting. But anyhow I want to convert this into identity matrix, that is 1, 0, 0, 1. So for that, this example we have to do in 4 steps. In first step we have to make here anyhow 1. Okay. Second step, in this matrix anyhow make 0. That is our second step. Third step we want to follow here. Here anyhow we want to make 1, because this we want identity matrix. Same way here, this is a fourth step. In this position I want 0. Again I am saying that our matrix is this, and in this position, this matrix I want to convert into identity matrix. So how to convert? So first step should be followed in this position to make this element 1. Second step we have to do in such a way that these elements will become 0. And third step will be here, where this I want to make 1. And here is my fourth step, which I want to make it 0. Now we will do it. Okay, so just keep it in mind. First, A is equal to I into A. A is equal to 1, minus 1, 2, 3 is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, and A I am writing as it is. Now this, if I want to make an identity matrix, here already 1 is there. So first step is already finished. Now in this position I want 0. So what to do? First row, second row it will be affected. In second row I will do like this. I will multiply first row with 2 and subtract from second row. Okay. So first row will be remain same. So 1, minus 1. From second row I have to multiply first row by minus 2 and adding into this. Same way I am multiplying by minus 2 and adding in this. So this will happen like this. Which process we have done here, same we have to do on identity matrix. So here it will be 1, 0, 0, minus 2 and 1 minus 0 into A. Now simplification of this, 1, 0 minus 1, 5 is equal to 1 minus 2, 1, 0 into A. Now here 1 is there, here 0 has come. Now it is third step. In third step I want here 1. So what I have to do? From row 2 I have to take common 5. So 5 is here, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 is equal to 5 is common here, 1, 0. This is common, so minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5 into A. This and this is cancel. Now this I will simplify. So this will become like this. So here it is 1 minus 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Continue here. Continue here, 1. Here this is equal to 1, 0 minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5 into A. Now this is 1 is there, 0 is there, 1 is there. Now I want here 0 because I want to make this identity matrix. So what I am going to do? Row 1. In row 1 I am going to add row 2. Okay? So this will be like this. 1 plus 0 minus 1 plus 1, 0, 1 is equal to 1 plus minus 2 by 5, 0 plus 1 by 5. This is minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 5 into A. So this is 1, 0, 0, 1. This equal to 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5 and 1 by 5. This is A. Now if this is I and this is A, obviously this is A inverse. So A inverse is equal to matrix 3 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. This is our first example. Again we will do another example also. That second is like this. That is matrix is A is equal to 2, 1, 1, 1. And our standard formula is A is equal to I into A. So A 2, 1, 1, 1 is equal to 1 identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. This is our second example. Now here I want 1. So what I am going to do? In row 1 minus row 2. I will do like this. Row 1 minus row 2. If I will do like this, then row 1 minus row 2, if I will do like this, then what will happen? This 2 minus 1 1 minus 1. Otherwise, I can write directly also. So 1, 0, 1, 1. This is our this matrix. Row 1 minus row 2. So 1 minus 1, 0, 1. This is our A. Now 1 is here. Now I want 0 here. So what I am going to do, that on row 2 minus row 1. Again, first I am going to row 1 minus row 2. So this will be like this. Okay. Now already it is here 1 and I want here 0. So row 2 minus row 1 I can do. So 1, 0, 0, 1 is equal to 1, 0. Minus 1, this minus 1 minus. So this becomes 2. That is our into A. So this is A inverse into A. So A inverse is equal to 1 minus 1, 0, 2. These are our two examples which we can do, and you can understand this is like this. No, here what we have to do, row 2 minus row 1. So here it will become minus 1. So minus 1. Okay. Now, okay, this you have to copy, and this is our row echelon method of to find A. Now another new two examples are here, that is 5th and 6th. Here again we are starting A is equal to I into A. A is 2174 is equal to I 1001 into A. Now step number 1. Here I have to make 1. So what I am going to do, from row 1 I am taking common 2. So it becomes 1, 1/2, 7, 4. Here also we have to do same process. So 2 is common. So 1/2, 0, 0, 1 into A. Now next step, I want to make here 0. So row 1 I am multiplying by, in row 2 I am multiplying by 7 to row 1 and subtract it from row 2. So here 1, 1/2, 7 minus 7, 4 minus 7 by 2. Because row 1 I am multiplying by minus 7 and adding into this. Same way here 2 and 2 was cancelled. So now this is 1/2, 0 minus 0 minus 7 by 2, 1 minus 0 into A. So it becomes 1, 0, 1/2, 1/2 is equal to 1/2, 0 minus 7 by 2, 1 into A. Our first process was making here 1, then 0. 1 and 0 is there. Now to make identity matrix, here I want 1. So row 2 I am multiplying by 2. So this becomes 1/2, 0, 1 is equal to 1/2, 0, minus 7 and 2 into A. Now 1 is there, 0 is there, 1 is there. Now I want here half. So row 1 minus 1/2 R2. So this becomes 1 minus 0, 1/2 minus 1/2, 0 and 1 is equal to 1/2. Minus minus plus 7 by 2, 0 minus 1. Because row 2 I am multiplying by minus 1/2. So minus 1 that I am going to add. Minus 7 and 2 into A. So this becomes 1, 0, 0, 1 is equal to 8 plus 1 by 2 means 4, minus 1, minus 7, 2 into A. So this is my identity matrix. So this becomes A inverse. So A inverse is equal to 4 minus 1 minus 7 2. This is our fifth example. Fifth example, if you see, then first I have written that A is equal to I into A. Then I have written value of A, value of I and into A. Now we will go on the sixth. That is also I will do like this, and that is A is equal to I into A. So A 2 5 1 3 into I means 1 0 0 1 into A. Now here I want 1. So what I am going to do, row 1 minus row 2. So here 2 minus 1, 5 minus 3, 1 3 is equal to 1 minus 0, 0 minus 1, 0 and 1 into A. So this becomes 1 2 1 3 is equal to 1 minus 1, 0 into 1 into A. Now I want here 0. So what I am going to do, R2 minus R1. So here 1 0 2 1 is equal to 1 minus 1. These I am minus 1. So this is becomes 2 into A. 1 is there, 0 is there. Now 1 is also there. Now I want 0. So what I am going to do, on row 1 minus 2 R2. So this is 1 0 0 1 is equal to, these I am going to multiply by minus 2. So minus 2 into 1 2. So this is 1 plus 2 minus 4, and say this is minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 and 2 into A. So this is 1 0 0 1 is equal to 3 minus 5 minus 1 2 into A. This is our identity matrix. This is A inverse into A. So A inverse is equal to 3 minus 1 minus 5, 2, which we required for sixth example. Now next example will be 3 by 3. This is our 2 by 2 matrix. Another example you have to do yourself. Okay.